Show together. Just want to thank you for joining me. It's taking a little bit of time out your day, spend with me. This is just what I'm looking at going into the week. This is the daily chart, as you can see. We are on KuCoin, daily chart. Each candlestick is a day. So we got this long trend we've been going up, in which we spiked out of it here, which could possibly have started a let's delete that, could possibly have started a new downtrend, because if you whip all that stuff together right there, so could be a new downtrend, or it could have just gone back in this range and it's going to bounce up and come back down. That's kind of what I'm thinking is going on, because as we've gone over before, this is kind of a bearish pattern. You expect this to break out low. Had kind of a fake out up here, came right back in. This is back when Bitcoin jumped up to that 31,000 and everyone thought we were going to go off to the races. And it's just been making lower highs, lower highs. This could be the breakout down going into the meeting, the Fed meeting, in which I could honestly see this coming back down to the 1500. About 1630, as we zoom in, we'll see. You see this line right here is, let's click on this line right here, 1690. I think it'll clear that easily. And go down to about the 1630 range. I'll show you how that works in. But so we're going to break it down further to understand more what I see is going on. We got the 4-hour chart. We switch over to the 4 hours. So we do this. We get the 4-hour here. We have to. Oh, there we go. Got the lines in. Let's squish this down a little bit. Spread it out. So you can see the same thing. It's just more candles. 6 candles per day. And this is just how it bounced. You can see how it ping, 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 ping up off. It broke out. And then it came back down. And it's retested this. Now this is the question. Now, if we zoom this out and bring this down on our 4-hour. This is showing now in our 4-hour, which wasn't as obvious in our day, that this came down through the bottom resistance of this channel, through the bottom, and bounced off of this support. Bounced off. You see the wick touched this, came back up, bounced off of this as resistance, come back down. So it's got a real tight range right here that it's going to, we're going to find out whether it's following this for a breakout, cascade down, or is it following this pattern, and are we going to see it shoot back up to the 2200 range, or 19, well, it has to clear the 1910 range first, but are we going to see it bounce back up and follow this pattern, or is it going to fall out? I'm in the camp, I think it's going to fall out this right here. That's my take on what's going on in the market. That's why I'm staying in on my short. I've got an Ethereum right here. You can see it. Let's pull it up, the 3S short. We got right here. It's basically the exact reverse of what you saw, except it moves at 3 times the rate. So we can fix this. I think there it should come through, and it's gonna go off into the races, because we also have, we draw this horizontal support, put that in, put it back to the daily to make the line a bit easier to draw on here. So right about Dow, And if you look, it's already breaking out on the daily. 4 hour, you see it broke out, came retested it, flying, bouncing back up. It's staying above the diagonal resistance support line, which flipped, boom. All signs are pointing to the shorts doing very well today. So hopefully you learned something. You'll hit me with that subscribe, a like, hit me with a comment. Love to have video ideas, content ideas you'd like to see. Plus, don't forget, I'm doing the $100 giveaway at 100 subscribers. So, be on the list. See you then.